So you open the Binance app, then you go to wallets. Here you find funding, then ensure your funds are in the funding wallet, because if it's in the funding wallet, then you'll avoid the extra charges. So make sure you transfer to the funding wallet. If it's in spot wallet, you just ensure that you transfer. But if it's in any other wallet, just make sure you transfer to funding before you proceed. Here we're just checking the other wallets, and then you'll also need to confirm it's in which form. So we just go to P2P after that. Then here there's buy and sell. So to buy, you'll be depositing to the Binance application, but to sell is now to withdraw to your bank or M-PESA. So here we're just checking. You can buy by sending to the pay bill number provided, but now we are focusing on selling, which will withdraw to M-PESA. So if this person is legit, you can just confirm what he does or she does. Maybe it's airtime, M-PESA transfer, bank transfer. So we need the M-PESA transfer and not the airtime or the bank transfer. So I think we'll go with the first one. You can see it does more stuff. And also the amount, you need to confirm the amount. I'll choose let's say 3,000, then confirm, then go to payment method. Here you choose M-PESA Kenya, then confirm. Then the currency is the coin is USDT. Just say sell. Then we'll confirm the current price in dollars. So we need to convert, and I'll say 19. 19 will give us that 3,000. So we just confirm the payment method, then say sell USDT. So here you're waiting for the buyer's payment, then you release the funds to them. So when it comes to your mobile wallet, just release the funds to them. So there goes, you see you're confirmed. So we'll just say payment has been received, have received and verified. Then you confirm the release. You need to wait first before you confirm the release, and there you go. That's how you transfer from Binance to M-PESA. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.